You are sending messages through all of your channels. But the question is, do you know which ones actually get the job done? If you're like most internal comms professionals, you're pushing content across email, intranet, apps, screens, newsletters, Microsoft Teams, SMS, the whole stack. But instead of impact, you're just creating noise. Here's the reality. Most of your employees are digital natives, but your communication strategy is stuck in the past. And in today's hybrid, multi-generational, always-on workplace, that's a real problem. Modern employees expect a modern communication experience, and when they don't get it, they tune out. Let's talk about what's really holding IC back. You're expected to be the voice of the future of work, but you weren't invited to the strategy table. Not because you don't have strategic insight, but because you don't have the proof to back it up. Clicks and opens don't tell you who trusts you. They don't tell you which channels work best, for which people, in what context, or at what time. And without that level of insight, you're not shaping the future, you're just reacting to it. But here's the good news. You have the expertise. You just need the data to match. Let's look at what our 2025 Employee Communication Impact Study revealed. 57% of employees trust their immediate supervisor the most. The company intranet, 51%, email or memos from management, 50%, and company newsletters, 44%, are other sources that receive a great deal of trust from employees. But when a company uses an employee app, it becomes their most trusted channel, 60% both globally and in the US. In fact, 56% of those who name an employee app as one of their main sources of information also say that this is the most effective channel for change communication. That's not just channel preference, that's channel performance. So, how does a future-ready comms strategy look? Doesn't have more tools, and it's not about working harder. It's about smart orchestration and using real insights to guide your decision-making. Here's how Staffbase helps internal communicators go from tactical executors to strategic thought partners. Multi-channel publishing. Create once, publish everywhere. Push updates across your app, intranet, email, SMS, Microsoft tools, and digital signage. Reach every employee where they are, not just where you are. Heatmaps and analytics. Don't just track views, understand behavior. With Staffbase, you get cross-channel insights and visual heat maps that show you what works, where it works, and when it works. That's the kind of data that earns you a seat at the table. Strategic channel optimization. Stop guessing, start knowing. Which channels do your non-desk teams trust most? Where do your Gen Z employees go for updates? When are your newsletters actually read? This is the intel that transforms IC from a messaging machine to a strategic powerhouse. Let's be honest, the future of internal comms isn't more messages, it's more meaning. It's not more channels, it's the right channels. And it's not about being louder, it's about being smarter. So here's the question. Are you using data to drive strategy? Do you know where your messages land and where they bounce? Can you prove the value of what you do? If the answer is not yet, Staffbase is here to help. Want to see the full picture of where internal comms is heading? Download the Staffbase Employee Communication Impact Study 2025 for a global look at the trends, tools, and tactics shaping the future of work. Find the link in the video description. Check it out.